Hello, everyone. It's Donna. How are you today? It's Saturday, and I just got through making this pair of slacks for the American Girl dolls. This pair will be going to the Dolls for Appalachia and Beyond group. I'm making some clothes to send to them so that they can send them out to the kids for Christmas. The shirt is a button-down shirt that I'd made a long time ago. It does fit Amaya Rain. It's a little bit big on her, but she looks cute in it. Anyway, um, if you sew and are overrun with doll clothes, you might want to check out the um, Appalachia and Beyond group, or Dolls for Appalachia and Beyond group. I'm sure they would love to have any doll clothes or dolls that anybody would want to donate. As for me, I like to sew doll clothes, so I'm going to be sewing some and making them to send. I will be getting back to my Rainbow High dolls shortly, but I just wanted to show you what I had done. I tried to make this pair of jeans or slacks yesterday, but it just wasn't happening for me, and those ended up in the trash, and I was not going to be defeated. So anyway, I just wanted to show you this little pair of pants that'll be going out to the little girls, and we will talk to you later. Bye.